One of the reasons I chose Cancun and the Cellular Hope Institute is they're one of the clinics that actually want you to get an MRI first, and they actually use the ultrasound to inject the stem cells specifically in the site. The other reason to come to Cancun is because they're ethically sourcing the stem cells, and it's not as heavily regulated as the FDA in the US, so I could get a higher concentration of umbilical cord stem cells here. There was another clinic in Cancun that I was looking at. However, they just said, come on down and get the stem cells. They never mentioned getting an MRI or specific site injection. And for me, that was the deciding factor. And other than that, it's Cancun. Why wouldn't you come here? It's definitely first-class service. They go out of their way to make sure that your needs are taken care of. I had to get an MRI when I first landed, and they picked me up at the airport. They took me to the MRI clinic at the hospital. Daniel met me there in case there was any issues with translation. He accompanied me the whole time at the hospital while I got my MRI, so that was fantastic. I took a course out there and got the stem cells a week later. First class experience, 100%. The state-of-the-art technology, I believe, is really key, that they are, again, injecting the stem cells right in the area that needs repair. So the experience in the procedure room was fantastic as well. The staff was extremely professional. The nurses were great, making sure I was comfortable, taking care of me. The doctor was fantastic. It was actually even better than my last stem cell injections, which were good. So yeah, he is world class. It was a very good experience. If you're considering stem cells, is stop waiting and take action. The sooner you take action on your injury, the better. Do your research, of course. However, so important that you take care of the injury in time. I injured my shoulder 2 months ago, and I wish I'd have come quicker. It is painless. It is very well done. So I would get to it right away. The medical staff and the team here at Cellular Hope Institute, again, is world class. Right from when they pick you up to the airport to the procedure room, everybody treats you with kindness, generosity. They really look after you, make sure your needs are well met. And again, Dr. Wahid, he's world class. That was an amazing, short, well-executed procedure. And I had my neck and my shoulder done. So if it had only been one procedure, it would have been even quicker. But the staff is definitely world class every step of the way. So they have not paid me a single cent to say this testimonial. That comes from my heart. I really do appreciate the staff here. They did an excellent job. And if anything happens, I pray it does not, but I would definitely come back to Cellular Hope Institute.